Hey there. So I like just woke up like 0.2 seconds ago, so excuse this, but I miss you. Kind of tired. So how you been? I've been good. I'm going to Canby today, and we should probably leave soon because they opened like an hour ago, but I don't know. I'm bored. Really bored. I have bobby pins. Can't see them.
Dirty mouth, huh?
Yeah, I'm at my dad's house for a week. So I don't know what to do. I feel like I should jam out. I got this shirt yesterday. Pretty cute. It's really big though. It's like I'm bored.